students, in today's video lecture we are going to learn about the retained earning. What do you mean by retained earning? Retained earning is that earning which company makes some profit aside for the future use. Now let's study the retained earning in detail wise. Meaning of retained earning. Business organization have fluctuating earning and profits. When the company have high amount of profit, they keep aside a part of that profit so that they can overcome the downswing in the business cycle of the company. Retained profit are retained in the business. They are accumulated over years then reinvested in the business itself. So the process of accumulating corporate surplus and their utilization in business is called retained earning. It is the retained by the company in the form of reserve funds. It is important internal source of capital called as reinvestment of retained earning or internal financing. The profit of the company is utilized first for the meeting its routine expenses, then some contingent expenses like payment of taxes, dividend are paid. Some reputed company keeps some amount of reserve and provision by payment less amount of dividend to their shareholders. They do this for their future safety. This capital is used for expansion and modernization of business and provides long-term and permanent finance to the organization. Retained earning, we also called as plogging back of profit, is a technical name for issue of bonus share. Bonus shares are those shares which are company issue free of cost, making company to its equity shareholders. The management can convert retained profit into permanent capital, which is also known as capitalization of profit. Bonus shares are issued in proportion of equity shares held. Bonus shares are issued to fully paid equity shareholders only. Directors propose to issue bonus share and the shareholder approve the proposal in their annual general meeting. Now we are going to learn about the determinants of the retained earning, that means factors of retained earning. Number one is total earning of company. If there is ample profit, company can save and retain some parts of profit. More the earning, a company can save more profit. Number two is taxation policy. It is very important factor of corporate savings. If higher taxes are levied, lower will be the amount of saving and resulting is less retained. Number third is dividend of company. Some company gives more dividend after providing for routine liabilities. Then naturally more dividend takes away more profit and then less profit is available for creation of reserves or surpluses. And the last one is government policies. Government through different machineries such as SEBI, stock exchange, put certain conditions on distribution of dividend, which creates impact on the profit available to create reserves and surpluses. So these are the four factors of retained earning. Now today's assignment work is retained earning. You have to write down the meaning and determinants of retained earning. Thank you.